What's up traders, this is Dave FX Hunter and welcome to another video about the ICT template. And in this video we will look to the sessions and the kill zones. So if you don't use the ICT template indicator yet, get it below this video in that link. Most highest probability trades occurred in this time, right? Just by looking at this, you can see that during the kill zones, the most highs and lows and liquidity runs and market results are happening. So we got for the Forex traders, we got the London kill zone, New York kill zone. As well, we have the Asian session range. If we go to the settings, here is settings because the indices traders, they like to trade the AM PM session, right? So we can set it up to the true and you can see the kill zones will change, right? So basically AM PM session did not open yet today because it's from the 9:30 the New York time, and then the PM session is a bit later, right? So if you're trading, let's say S&P 500, that's what you are going to use probably as a time for the trading, because it's different, it has different nature than the Forex. So this will be that if you're trading indices, this will be AM PM session, your time for the trading, right? I was talking about the session. So we have the London session, New York session. Let's go to the settings and I will show you what you can do in here. We can set up a look back days. By this number I'm saying how many days I want to look back and show the sessions. If I set up, let's say 10, it will be showing me a sessions 10 days back, right? Why is it important? I will explain you in a minute. Right now what we can have a sessions as a boxes or the lines, right? So we could have if we set false, it will be a boxes. So let's see a New York, right? And we see a New York as a boxes. If we set it up as a lines, we can do this thing. We can extend New York session levels, and we can extend as well New York London levels and as well Asia levels, right? True, right? So we got it in here. We can see the New York session, New York sessions are right now, the levels are extended, right? As well, we can bring a London sessions and we can bring the Asian session, right? So we can see today already the Asian session is being taken out, right? And then we got this New York session above in here, right? So for those who wants to use a sessions as the levels, next to it we of course can use a previous days, right? If we are talking about the session, this button SOL is session opens level, right? Okay, so here is a Frankfurt open, here is a London, here is a New York, and here is a equity, right? So yeah, level. Right now, if you want to use, let's say, if you're trading just a New York open or the equity open and you don't want to have too much lines in here, then again, you can go to the indicator and basically I want to see just these two levels. Let's say I'm American, I don't care about what's happening in the Asia and the London, and I will set up none in here. I click OK. You see, and currently as well I can hide the Asia, and currently I got just a New York open and the equity open. I got a AM PM sessions, right? I got beautiful levels. I can change it completely as I want to, right?